Hi, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Excel VBA programming to hide and unhide Excel sheets at click of a button. So let's start. I'll be sharing my screen. Okay, so I'll just remove this. Just a second. Okay, so this is a simple Excel sheet. It has total 6 number of sheets. Okay, so what we want to do, let's say if you want to hide or unhide the Excel sheets frequently, so that you can automate using a Excel VBA macro. So let's say if you want to hide sheet 2 to sheet 6 frequently and unhide them again, so we can write a macro and then we can assign a button for that. So what I will do, you can go to view macros, record a macro. Okay, I'll keep the name as it is. Okay, as you can see here, one module has been added. So here you will be able to see the code. So let's start recording a macro. I will write here, this is the macro for hide sheets. Okay, so I'll keep on hiding the sheet. I'll select this sheet 2, hide, sheet 3, hide, sheet 4, hide, sheet 5, hide, sheet 6, hide. Okay, so this is the code for hiding the sheets. Now here I will write macro for unhide sheets. Okay, I'll again right click here, unhide sheet 2, unhide sheet 3, unhide sheet 4, unhide sheet 5, unhide sheet 6. Okay, and I will stop the recording of the macro. Okay, now what I will do, we will go to developer tab, go to insert and form control button. Draw one button here and link macro to, and just write here hide sheets. Okay, now what we want to do, we will write another macro. Just copy this name, paste it here, rename it macro 3 and just enter, and just cut this macro for unhiding the sheet from here and paste it inside this one, and draw another button here and link this second macro, that is macro 3, and edit this text on the button, right, and hide sheets. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now if I click on this hide button, all these sheets are getting hidden. Now just a second, what has happened is in hide, I think I had, okay, let me just, I had drawn these sheets on sheet number 6, which is getting hidden. So I will just cut it out here, go to sheet 1, paste it here, go to sheet 6, cut out and paste it here. Okay, so now it will work. Hide sheets, just a second, hide, okay, so I have to just go on sheet 1, click on hide sheets, all the sheets are getting hidden. If I click on unhide, all the sheets are getting unhidden. Now let's say after unhiding, I don't want to be on sheet 5, I just want to be on sheet 1. So what we can do, just copy the sheets and bracket sheet 1 dot select. I'll just write it here. So what will happen after unhiding the sheets, I will be on sheet 1 only. Let's see, hide sheets, unhide sheets. So I'm on sheet 1. So this is how you can leverage the macro recording and customize it as per your requirement, and link these buttons to hide and unhide multiple sheets at click of a button. Here only 6 numbers of sheets are there. If you have lot of sheets, then all the same say sheets can be hidden and unhidden using the same programming, just like I had shown you here. So hope you like this and you will be able to use it in your own applications. So if you like this video, I would like you to like it, comment below, and also subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like to learn more such things, you can join my private Facebook group. The link for the same is also given in the description of this video. So hope to meet you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.